Hello everyone, welcome in Highway to Zen. I am Annelise and I will make you discover short and efficient exercise that will increase your well-being and your energy, decrease your stress and make you feel better. Today we will discover how to tame the monkey that we have in our head. We have around 80,000 thoughts every day in our mind. 80% of them are negative and 80% of them are the same that the previous day. So this is not a problem at all, and it's how our brain is functioning. But what could be very useful is to recognize where we have our thoughts and to decide if we want to follow the monkey that brings us from trees to trees, or if we want to go back and take another direction. We all have done this experience of having one thought at the beginning and after a few minutes being completely in another place, having our mind completely in another place, having done different steps in our brain to arrive here. This is what we could call as a monkey bringing us from trees to trees to trees to arrive to an unexpected point. So we will see today with an exercise how to notice that and how to recognize that. So let's go for the exercise. First of all, I will ask you to sit in a comfortable chair, legs uncrossed, the feet on the ground, hands on your knees or thighs, and please close your eyes. And we will take 3 big and large breathe in and breathe out. Focus on your belly that inflates and deflates. And now, let your breath be normal. Breathe in and breathe out normally. And focus your attention to your belly, rising up when you inhale and rising down when you exhale. Just focus on this movement of your belly like a wave and continue to focus on it. Continue to breathe in and out normally. And perhaps you could notice now that your thought brings you somewhere else and that you are no more focused on the observation of your breathe in and breathe out. If it's the case, it's not a problem. Just gently recognize the thought that you follow, perhaps some project for the future or memory of the past. Just come back to the observation of your breathing. Breathe in and out gently. Follow this breathe in and breathe out as waves in the sea. Just follow your belly. attention to your back and feel the contact of your back with the chair. Notice all the points of contact of your back. And bring your attention again on your breath in and breathe out. Perhaps you could notice now that you are no more on the observation of your body and your breath in and out, but somewhere else, and that your brain took you somewhere else. If it's the case, just notice the thought that you follow and come back again to the observation of your belly. Now bring your attention to your nose and feel the air coming in and out from your nose. Perhaps you could feel the difference of temperature of the air coming in your nose, cooler than the air going out. Just follow the air coming in and out from your nose. Notice where your attention is on the observation of your breath in and breath out, or perhaps somewhere else. If it's the case, just notice where your thought was and come back to the observation of your nose. You could perhaps feel all the relax and the relaxation of your body at that moment. Now to close this exercise, take a deep breath in and exhale every air that you have in your body. And our exercise is finished now. What are the effects of this exercise and when to practice? During 3 times, I ask you during this exercise, where was your thought? Where was your brain? And I am quite sure that once, 2, even 3 times, your thoughts were outside the observation of your belly, and that you followed different thoughts. And this is just normal. It's just to be conscious that we have in our brain some kind of autopilot that bring us from ideas to other ideas and to other thoughts. It's what we picture by this monkey coming from trees to trees and to continue like that. So it could be very useful to recognize that from time to time and to decide to come back to the thought that we want to have. Let me tell you a short story. A few years ago, I had an important disease, and like everyone in this kind of situation, I had a lot of thoughts. And in the morning, one time, I was in my breakfast in front of my coffee with a beautiful sun outside, and my thought came to this disease and to the things that could happen in the future with that. And I was very sad, and even tears came at that time. And then I just recognized that my thought brought me to this. And I did not want to be there and to follow that, because I was just here in front of my breakfast, in front of my coffee with this beautiful sun, and it was really a nice day. So I just decided to come back here and now to this breakfast. So it's very useful to recognize this kind of situation and to take back the control of your thoughts from time to time. If you are interested to practice, you could follow a lot of meditation online, on YouTube. Plenty of are available to practice about that. So at the conclusion, I hope that this exercise makes you discover the monkey that you have in your head. If you do this exercise and have comments, please do not hesitate to put comment on the video. If you like the exercise, put a like, and if you want to know more about other videos that will come soon, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for today, take care, and talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.